everyone, how's it going? I wanted to make a quick video, a few thoughts that are on my mind. It's about being controversial. It's about calling things out. You know, everybody just wants to be like, to appease or to please everyone and to be on everyone's, you know, to not say anything that kind of rocks the boat. But if there's, you know, we have to be controversial because there's a lot of contradicting information out there and it's harming people. And if you're too afraid to kind of call it how it is, hopefully you know how it is, and I'm not saying I know how everything is, I'm just saying I know how a few things are, you gotta call it out. So here I go. The Master Fast, and I won't even call it that. Just say you want the fasting experience and you want to do some fasting for health reasons. Well, a properly conducted fast is water only. Why? Because the moment you ingest anything, whether it be lemon, maple syrup, anything, that turns on digestion, and now you're just putting yourself into a calorie deficit long term if you plan to go long term. I mean, no big deal if you're just drinking a lemon water or a lemon and maple syrup drink, whatever, like once in a while or in the morning on an empty stomach and then you're going to eat later. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about the people that are doing, you know, 14-day fasts and they're taking in like just a little bit, you know, just some lemon water, or they're doing lemon water or maple syrup and cayenne pepper, I don't know. But that just puts them into a calorie deficit and causes stress and sapping of our nerve energy because they're turning on digestion, yet there's not much to digest. And so that's when, you know, we're noticing that people end up with, you know, more digestive issues and issues because it's not a properly conducted fast. A properly conducted fast is when the body gets full physiological rest. And that's another thing. When people are fasting, even on just water only, you know, or with this lemon water or whatever, and then you're like doing your daily activities, but yet you don't have sufficient calories and nutrients to carry out those activities, that also stresses the body and taxes the body, saps your nerve energy. So we gotta learn these things. I mean, I'm not saying fasting's bad at all. A properly conducted water fast is so beneficial, and you're better off, in my opinion, call me out and say I'm wrong if you want to say I'm wrong, but let's discuss it, you know. But in my opinion, a 3-day fast of just water only would be far more beneficial than doing 14 or 21 days of like lemon maple syrup drink or even a juice cleanse. Yeah, I said it. Even just juicing. And I know you're getting a lot of nutrients with the juicing, but that's not a natural practice either. And, you know, sure, have a juice here and there, but like it stresses the body too to do these long extended juice cleanses. And believe me, I've been there, and I was wondering, why am I not healing as quickly as you know, I thought I would? Why are these headaches persisting? Well, I was always kind of stressing my body out, not giving it exactly what it needed, you know, enough materials to like heal and repair and thrive. And so with the natural human diet that we teach in our support group, we're people that have been on this path for years. Like I was, like I'm almost 10 years on this path, but in the first few years I wasn't doing things correctly all the time, and I wasn't getting the results that I hoped for. But we teach people how to get results because we've been through it, the three of us, right? I'm doing this with Nat Ferris and Lauren Whiteman and myself, and we teach the natural hygienic principles. And this is like a holistic approach to health and healing, and it's not about these crazy extreme practices that a lot of fruitarian or raw foodists get into. And so we're trying to, help people to do things properly so that the body gets, adequate digestive rest when it needs to, but adequate nutrients when it needs it. Lots of hydration, learning how to know when your body is calling for rest rather than more food, because sometimes when we're so tired, we're looking for stimulation. And instead of just resting, like in the evening, we go and eat a bunch of fats, and then we wonder why we don't feel very good in the morning with a food hangover. So anyways, I just wanted to put that out there that, I'm going to get controversial because I have to. There's no other choice. I can't please everyone. I can't say, oh yeah, well that's good, when I know that it isn't, So I'll end it here. Please like, share, and subscribe. I know I don't make videos very often, but that's the way it goes. I'd prefer to enjoy life. And if you want to join our monthly natural diet support group, they are ongoing every single month. We begin at the first of each month. We walk people through the natural diet. We provide the shopping lists, the recipes, the information that people need to just do things in a balanced and holistic and sound way, without resorting to extremes. And when you provide the body with what it requires for health, then health results. It's amazing. It's quite amazing, actually. And so, so just, if you want to sign up for our support group, go to therawkey.com. And I'd also suggest to pick up a copy of my book. It's titled Heal Thyself, Embracing Our Natural Diet for Optimal Health. And I share, a lot of information in there that can help people to elevate their health no matter what stage they're at, no matter where they are at. And that's the thing with our support group as well. We accept all people. You don't have to be on a raw food diet to learn, how to incorporate healthier habits and choices into your routine. So anyways, and to pick up a copy of my book, I'll leave the links in the comments or in the description or wherever I'm posting this below. And I hope everyone has an amazing weekend. I don't know, I'm feeling really good today, and it's just because I've been on track, and I've been, I schedule in the things I need to do, right? I schedule in my walk, I schedule in my stretching, I schedule in my work, I schedule everything. And when I'm on schedule, when my routines are flowing, I feel amazing. And I haven't been overindulging in the nuts and seeds, which makes me feel fantastic. I mean, I always feel pretty good, but it's next level when you're keeping the fats low, I have to say, on a raw food diet, on our natural human diet. So have an amazing weekend, everyone. Bye.